Okay. Okay, this is activity 2.3. The idea is that we're going to do it today. But before you do it, I'm going to do some of the examples so you can remember what to do. Also, there are some tricky ones that I also want to solve, so you know what to do if they are in the quiz. Huh? 14. Good. Ready?
Ready.
This activity finish is going to be due also Friday, along with the previous one. Okay? Okay. We have number 1. It says limit x approaches infinity of 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 over 1 minus 3x squared. What do I do first? Huh? Substitute. Exactly. So it's going to be
infinity over infinity.
That will be enough for the justification.
So now we have to substitute like over x squared.
Exactly. Choose the x with the highest power of the denominator and divide every term by that x squared. So it's going to be limit x approaches infinity of 4x squared over x squared minus 3x over x squared plus 1 over x squared over minus 3x squared over x squared. Then can I simplify something here?
Yes.
Yeah.
We eliminate x. 4 minus 3x.
3 over x plus 1 over x squared over 1 over x squared minus 3. Then what?
Then you substitute it.
Substitute again. After I simplify, substitute again. So 4 minus 3 over infinity plus 1 over infinity squared over 1 over infinity squared minus 3. Can I cancel something there?
Yeah, 0.
3 over infinity becomes 0. 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, so the final answer is going to be
4 minus 4
minus 4 thirds. And that's the answer. Okay? Questions?
No,
Yes.
Mister, pero entonces es el
The final limit, yeah, the final value. Final answer. No, not from both sides. It means that if I go to infinity, the graph is going to approach 4 thirds. But don't worry, we'll get future class, we're going to see the application of this in the graph. Okay. Can I continue? Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry too for you.
Si lo quieren. También lo en clase. Okay. Limit x approaches infinity of 2x minus 7 over x squared plus x plus 3. This one is a little different because the powers are different in the denominator, right? What do I do first? Substitute. So it's going to be infinity over infinity. From the denominator, which one is the one with the highest power? Denominator. X squared. So, limit x approaches infinity. If you want to allow that you can simplify the process a little. That is, you can skip this step and simplify directly into this. If you want. Okay? To do it a little more mental. So, for example, here, I can do it mentally. 2x over x squared will be what? 2 over x minus 7 over x squared over 1, yeah,
plus 1 over x
plus 3 over x squared. Okay, I just keep one step. What step? Dividing everything into just simplifying. And substitute?
0.
Again, if you want to, you can also do it mentally. 2 over infinity becomes 0 minus 0, so 0 over 1 plus 0 plus 0. 0 over 1? 0 will be the answer.
Okay.
Remember, if I divide 0 over a number, answer is 0.
But if you had the 0 down,
If you have 0 in the denominator, it doesn't exist.
and you use the one that has a high power on the denominator, right? So the number that you have the
That's what we say. Okay, yeah. That's what I did, the denominator. I just keep one step. I just keep the step of doing it directly, and I jump into the simplification directly.
That's
what I did. Exactly. So by dividing 2x over x squared, you're getting 2 over x. By dividing 7 over x squared, that's what you get. X squared over x squared, 1. If you want to do step by step, do it. I'm just giving you a way to save that each one. Yeah. Good. Next one. Again, limit is approaching infinity of a rational. What do I have? Infinity over infinity. Yeah, it would be better to just say time and for right now, forget about the minus. Just put infinity over infinity. It was the type of limit. Now, do the process to see what will be the real answer. So the limit x approaches negative infinity, and run into the step by step or skip into the last one? Okay.
It would be 2x.
Skip, yeah. 2 x, yeah,
minus 1
1
plus 4 over x
yeah,
divided by
2 plus
3 over x.
Do you get this?
Yes.
Yeah. In this case, I chose x from the denominator and then I divided. Evaluate again. Now we take into consideration the negative of the negative infinity. So 2 times negative infinity will be what? Negative infinity. Minus 1 plus 0. This becomes 0. Convert to 1, 2. Over 2 plus 0.
Minus infinity minus
Exactly. Negative infinity minus what? Negative infinity. Divided by 2? Negative infinity.
So the answer is 9.
So the answer is not a number, it's infinity.
No, I have infinity will always be. So if you have something that multiplies say variable, it will always be
Yeah.
the
Just be careful with the sign, the posterior here. Yeah. Number of infinity, yeah. That will be the first step if you want to establish this. Yeah. That's the same thing. Even one step further. Do you want to do it? Fine. Very good. Good. Question. Any questions?
if we had negative infinity, positive infinity, we always put negative infinity, right?
No. That depends on this. Because sometimes again, you have infinity or infinity, it could be something different. It could be a number, it could be 0, or it could be this. That depends on the degrees. But I prefer in the procedure because it actually gives the real answer. Most of the infinity, 0 or no.
But we can change the equals to the limit to the infinity positive. And when doing the substitution, we had a negative infinity that will be that. It can
You can generalize it. You can generalize it. It could be negative, positive, negative.
like in the
In this case, yes. But not in all cases. Not in all cases, because that depends from this, also depends on the degrees of powers. But not to generalize, it's better to do the procedures and give you the real answer.
Okay, so if we so every time the decrease is higher,
Okay, listen. The reason why I did these 3 examples is that you can observe something. Some of you already seen this, but here, observe. In the first example, what is the highest power of the numerator? The highest power, the degree of the numerator. The degree is the highest power. 2. 2 is the highest power. Not the x, the power. The power is 2. The denominator, the highest power is also 2. Okay? In this case, there is a way to verify your answer. In what way? If you observe that the numerator and the denominator have the same highest power, the same degree, then in this case, the final answer is going to be the division of the leading coefficients. Yeah and no. In this case, in the quiz, I want the full procedure. But you can still verify your answer.
what happens if we have the variable as an exponential?
Okay, so if before you start asking, I know it's a short procedure to do it. What I want to see in the exam, the full procedure. You can skip some steps like this one. What I want to see at least this. Okay? And you can use that short procedure to verify your answer. So I repeat, degree of the numerator equal to degree of the denominator, then you just divide the coefficients. That's the answer. Okay, second case. Here. What's the degree of the numerator here? The highest power? 1. And here?
2.
So, in this case, the degree of the numerator is less than degree of the denominator. In that case, the answer is going to be always 0.
Cuando el degree del denominator es mayor al degree del numerator, casi cero. Ay, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué nos hacen hacer todo ese procedimiento?
There's a reason, but
But number 4, so the answer number 4 is 0.
the answer for number 4, yeah.
That is infinity.
Yeah. Okay. The last case is that, in this case, the degree of the numerator is 2. The denominator is 1. Degree of the numerator bigger than degree of the denominator. The answer will be positive or negative infinity. What depends if it's going to be positive or negative? Depends on the difference between those two degrees and the sign of the infinity.
The one that they ask for is 1.
Not necessarily. It's a little trickier to see it. There is a way to see it, but it's a little trickier. So that's why in this case it's better to do the procedure.
Mr. Number 2, is there a way to do that?
A what?
Is there a way to find the answer easier, like number 1?
Yeah, divide the coefficients. Divide the coefficients of the ones with the highest power.
Number 2.
No, number 2 is here.
For example, those are
The same degree. The same degree. It will be 2, 3, whatever. The same degree. Equal. Okay. Listen. Okay. So, you may use the rules to verify your answer, but again, in the quiz, I want to see the procedure. It's better that way. It's not that big of a procedure, just 2 or 3 more steps. And it's going to give you the real answer. Because if you just memorize the rules, you're going to forget it. So, at least do the procedure. It will be easier that way. Fine. Questions? Yeah.
¿La última?
Degree of the denominator. No, the dependent the denominator. Like in this case, the answer will be positive or negative infinity. What is the dependent between positive or negative? It depends on this, but also depends on how big is this compared to this. It's a little complicated, so it's better that way. But there is a way to do it, but it's to think a little more. So this is easier.
Profe, en las 6 tendríamos que resolver.
Son adelante, los vas a poder a 8. Si me dejan, lo voy a hacer, nada más quiero que me dejen. Okay. Fine, thank you. Number 6. Let's try number 6. In number 6, for example, you have a little different in that, for example, you have an element to the square and again over this. It's a rational function, yes, but you need to get rid of this first to see what will be the real function. So what do I do? Number 6. Limit x approaches infinity of x minus 1 to the square minus x plus 1 to the square over 7x minus 5. First thing, what do I do? No. First is infinity over infinity. That's always the first thing to do. Now, then, luego, you substitute this. You expand it to binomials here. So it's going to be limit x approaches infinity of x minus 1 to the square is what?
X squared minus 2 plus
2x minus 1 plus 1.
Minus
2x squared x squared plus 2x
plus or minus?
plus
Well, yeah, only plus because of this, but because of this, it's going to be
Pero se puede, o sea, bueno, se puede.
okay, listen. This binomial, just this binomial to the square is x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? But then you have the minus multiplying the whole binomial, the whole trinomial. So it's going to be minus x squared minus 2x minus 1.
Pero igual se puede cancelar para decir que, bueno,
Yeah.
que si nos quita
Now you can simplify
minus 4 aquí.
this with this. No, do not. One.
menos 4x.
Yes.
Me queda 4 céntimos.
If I were to just do this, the small procedure, the simple procedure, the answer should be at the end minus 4 over 7, right? Why? Because of the degrees.
Yes.
But if I do the full procedure that you need to, limit x approaches infinity of divided by x minus 4 over 7 minus 5 over x, and then the
Minus 5 over x is 0.
Espera, ¿el 5 por qué lo dividiste por x?
porque tiene
so at the end minus